Alright guys, we're out here in the Lake Pontchartrain Trestles. It's the last week of March. Spring is sprung, as you can see. We've got a few nice fish in the boat. Every one of them about 3-4 pounds. Looking for some big ones. Now stay tuned.
Nothing is working, I won't stop, I won't say I've had enough. Tonight, I start the fire. Tonight, I break away.
Follow that nature shaft.
Away from everything, if you can't stand the way this place is, take yourself to all your places. At night, I feel like a vampire. It's not right, but I just can't give it up. I'll try to get myself higher. Let's go. We're gonna light it up. Tonight, we start the fire. Tonight, we break away. Break away from
That is nice. Hey, we're out here today at Lake Pontchartrain. It's the end of April, and actually end of March. Sorry about that. Riding with Tristan and John, and myself, Captain Chris, fishing Lake Pontchartrain, catching big fatties like that, big mules. Throwing matrix shad and assorted colors, shrimp, magneto. We're using that golden 3/8 ounce jig head.